Hi, my name's Larry Straining, and I'd like to personally thank you for downloading my session materials. My session at ASTD's ICE in Denver, Colorado this year is entitled Learning Innovation with Today's Tech Tools. And the tech tool that we're going to talk about during this session is QR codes. And I have an example of, this is my QR code right here, and you were able to use a QR code when you clicked on the information on the cover of the session. And we will be spending time during the session learning about QR codes, what they are, how to use them, when to use them. But we're not just talking about them. We will have stations set up throughout the room where you're going to be physically up, moving about, and engaging with these so that you can go back and use them in your trainings as well. So I look forward to seeing you. My session is session number SU312. It'll take place Sunday afternoon from 3:30 to 5 o'clock p.m. and I look forward to seeing you in Denver. Thank you.